Splash Mountain goes back to 1983, 4 years after Thunder Mesa's opening. The Imagineers began to brainstorm, once again under the lead of Tony Baxter, this time for a ride in the underutilized Bear Country section of the Disneyland park. They took the water flume element of Thunder Mesa's design in an attempt to salvage a little more of Mark Davis's years of work on the Thunder Mesa project. Originally planned to be a raft ride, the Imagineers were considering making it a log vehicle, but worried that a log flume was too ordinary to include in a park like Disneyland. At the same time, Disneyland's America Sings attraction, that was brought in to celebrate America's bicentennial with a singing cast of audio animatronic animals, was getting stale and out of place in Tommorrowland.
I wish I was in the land of cotton, no time's there and I've forgotten. Look away, Dixieland.
Often having more audio animatronics than it had guests in its theater seats. Baxter was tasked with solving 3 issues: that of the log flume ride vehicles, saving the audio animatronics of America Sings, and bringing more people into Disneyland's underutilized Bear Country area. One day, on a hot summer drive, Tony Baxter, while stuck in LA rush hour traffic, thought of a solution. Combine the 2 attractions with the happy music from Disney's Song of the South, tweaking the story of the Uncle Remus folktales written in the 1800s. The theme was kind of a gamble for Disney due to the controversial nature of plantation life in early America. The Imagineers recognized that the joyful nature of the soundtrack could overcome those concerns though, and they were right. A Brer Rabbit storyline was modified and combined with the 100 audio animatronic singing critters from the former Mark Davis Albertino attraction America Sings. Those AAs became the backbone of the new ride's construction. Disney's newest mountain began to take shape. While Disneyland's construction began in 1987 and opened 2 years later, the Magic Kingdom didn't see its version open until 1992. It didn't go according to plan. The CEOs who first rode it, instead of getting lightly sprayed, were getting soaked. This caused them to extend its official opening date, while Imagineers redesigned its boats to be lighter and hold fewer passengers. While Walt Disney built Disneyland for $17 million, the Splash Mountain attraction cost $75 million on its own. So why so expensive? Not just because building mountains are expensive, but water rides too are expensive, and Splash Mountain was both. In fact, the Magic Kingdom version of the attraction contains almost 1 million gallons worth of water. The ride is mostly the same in both parks, with a few subtle differences. For example, the music in the Disneyland attraction is a mix of big band and orchestra stylings, while the tunes in Disney World's version are played in a more country bluegrass style. Splash Mountain has become many guests' favorite ride in the park, especially on a hot summer day. The 2 versions share the plot line of Br'er Rabbit escaping Br'er Fox and Br'er Bear's dangerous clutches through a river run that culminated in him getting stuck in honey before a drop into a tunnel underneath the Frontierland walkway and back into the mountain where the critters are waiting, celebrating your return.
Well, you know it is a thrill when you go downhill, 'cause you're riding on the mountain of your own free will, and you're zipping in a flash on a daring dash down a waterfall so rapid that you go split splash.
Splash Mountain,
Zippity-doo-dah,
Splash Mountain,
zippity-yay. My oh my,
This